I've popped in my SIM card onto the new ASUS ROG Phone 6 and using it as my daily driver for the past 2 weeks now. Can I replace my trusty Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra with the new ASUS ROG Phone 6? Hi, my name is Joshua Wong. Welcome to Fast Episode 72. I do short and fast tech reviews on this channel. That's how the name came about. In this video, I'll be sharing with you my experience rocking the ASUS ROG Phone 6 as my daily driver. Let's start off with the design. There isn't a big incremental in terms of design compared to its predecessor. Having the same 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Samsung-made AMOLED display, but with an upgrade from 144Hz to 165Hz refresh rate and a 720Hz touch sampling. No notch or any hole punch cutout where you get to enjoy full screen experience, featuring an in-display optical fingerprint scanner and a pretty rare LED notifications on the top bezel. There are two USB charging ports, one at the bottom and one on the side. In these iterations, ASUS has removed the pocket pin for the Aero Active Cooler, so no more missing rubber cover. Ultrasonic shoulder buttons are on the top and a 3.5mm headphone jack. What differentiates between the ASUS ROG Phone 5 and ROG Phone 6 would be the new camera bump and the new gaming elements design on the back cover. It still has the RGB light on the ROG logo, and the Dare to Play tagline is now RGB5. The ASUS ROG Phone 6 is also the first IPX4 splash-resistant gaming phone on the market, so it can shrug off some water splash. As a gaming phone, of course, it comes with all the gaming features and accessories to enhance the gaming experience. The haptic motor is responsive and solid, plus the air triggers add more controls to the gameplay without the need to purchase additional accessories. The ultrasonic pressure-sensitive buttons can recognize up to 9 different gestures for different game control. The Aero Active Cooler 6 features a thermoelectric AI cooling for active temperature control, together with 4 more physical gaming buttons. According to ASUS, the Aero Active Cooler 6 can bring down up to 25 degrees Celsius surface temperature. You can go with extra mile with the ROG Kunai 3 gamepad and turn your ROG Phone 6 into a console-grade device. What's new is inside. The ROG Phone 6 series is one of the first to be powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 with base variants of 12GB of LPDDR5 memory and 256GB UFS 3.1 storage. It makes sense for ASUS to dish the 128GB storage if they want to market it more than just for gaming. What is so great about the new flagship chip? It performs 7% to 10% better in CPU and GPU comparing to the already powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, while consuming lesser power, producing lesser heat and less throttling, which brings higher sustained performance and better battery life. Besides that, ASUS uses a flagship primary camera sensor on the ROG Phone 6. Don't get confused with the megapixel counts, although the ROG Phone 6 now has only 50 megapixel compared to ROG Phone 5 with 64 megapixel. The ROG Phone 6 is equipped with the last year flagship camera sensor, the Sony IMX766, so do expect better photos and video quality from it. Back to the questions, how was my experience with the ASUS ROG Phone 6 as my daily driver? To be surprised, I quite enjoy using it as an everyday use smartphone with minimal gaming usage. The display is super smooth, the scrolling is almost jittery-free. The HDR10 Plus 10-bit panel is bright, punchy in color, and great in contrast. I enjoy binging movies or series with no notch or hole punch distractions. Not forgetting the front-facing dual speakers that can blast loud and concentrate stereo sound. The ROG Phone 6 can take sharp and detailed photos with the primary camera. The photo taken are not that heavily sharpened or have too much in-camera processing. This is great for people like myself to have more room to tweak the photos to what I like before sharing it on social media. While the 8MP ultra-wide camera can capture a good amount of details with slightly softer side, this is more apparent in night mode. Here are some photos taken with the ASUS ROG Phone 6. There's no complaints in terms of performance, especially with the close to stock Android Vanilla UI that has minimal bloatware. Matter of fact, I felt I was kinda underutilized of what it capables. This lead to the outstanding battery life of the 6000 mAh battery. I can easily get 7 to 8 hours of screen on time, which lasted me easily 2 days before charging it. The provided 65W adapter took under 1 hour to fully charge from 0%. It can take any high graphic intensive games without any issue. It does get slightly warmer, but not to the extent of being uncomfortable to hold. Consider getting the Aero Active Cooler 6 if you are spending more time with gaming on the ASUS ROG Phone 6. Gaming phones are not for everyone, including myself. Spending Rm 3.5k, we are not expecting to use it just for gaming. I'm glad that the ASUS ROG Phone 6 has a good versatility between everyday use and gaming. Plus, it has checked all the boxes to be a great daily driver. So I guess I'll be sticking my SIM card in it for now. If you want to know more about the ASUS ROG Phone, a written review is available on my website with synthetic benchmark test result and more camera photo samples. Link will be in the description. That's all from me on the ASUS ROG Phone 6. If you have any questions, do leave them in the comment box below. I'll be sure to answer them. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Take care and I'll see you at the next one.